This is the third in a series of highlight reels, looking back at the videos we have published to this channel that you may have missed. First, we have our computer tours, a 5-part series for those starting off with computers. Next, we have a video on the Waveshare 8.8-inch HDMI display, which is both compact and well made. Then we did a review of HDMI and DisplayPort emulators, allowing you to convince your computer you have extra displays, right up to 4K resolution. Next was a walkthrough of the evolution of storage media, covering many popular storage mediums. And finally, we have a 7-part series following the launch of 3 models of the Odroid H4 computer.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to click on the link in the description below to discover more videos.